In this form, we're going to focus on creating new forms. And the way that you create a new form is you go up to your Omnibox and you are going to type in the Omnibox forms.google.com. And when you do that, you'll get right to this screen in which it tells me what do I want to call this. And the very first thing you should do is title your form. So I'll call it test 1. And you can make a different default theme, which we'll talk about later on. And then I'd also save it right away. The reason why I say this is that you want to put it within a location that you know exactly where it is, because as you start using forms and you have the responses, in order to find out the responses, you actually want to open up the file and know where it is. So I'd automatically name it and put it somewhere right away. So move to. In this case, I'll put it in my Grace file, move, and now I have it there. The next thing I want to do before I create all my questions is I want to go to choose response destination. The reason why I'm saying this is it ties this form, so what asks the questions, back to a spreadsheet to get the responses. And if I say choose this response destination, it will put it in the same folder that I created the form in. So if I hit create here, and if I go back to my folders, so I go to my drive.google.com, I look here, and if I go to Grace, I should have a test 1 and test 1 responses. Now I'll create another folder here, and I'll call this one test 1 form. And what I'll do is I will move these right into it right away, just so I know where test 1 form is. And I have both the form and the responses in one location.